Yeah, back at home now, guys. So far I've found this stuff here. There's a bit more room up here, but I don't want to overflow it, so this is my third time going out. Found this guy here, deep freeze. Those few things there. An old Vulcan, whatever that is, looks like a small air conditioner or something. And I found some microwaves. There, another washing machine. I found this bike rack thing that you put behind your car. Still looks new. Don't know if I should scrap it. Got a few metal pieces there. I've already got a load on the four-wheel drive, half load. I'll probably fill it up tomorrow and cash it in. But I've got to process the stuff first. I think I'll do that the rest of the afternoon here. And I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, for an old bloke, I'm buggered. Alright, catch you later, guys.